Oracle Cloud Contract Management. Hi, my name's Scott Walls, and welcome back to the 7-step video series on how to create contract terms in Oracle Cloud. In step 2 of 7, you'll learn how to create clauses with variables. So let's get started. Okay, so this time we're logged in as Calvin Roth. Calvin is a contract admin. So we've managed to navigate to the contract management functional area. From within there, we will choose the terms library application. And now we want to create a clause. And I'll show you, but I'm probably not going to create the variable, but you'll see what a variable or how to create it. So with that, let's open the magnifying glass here. Let's keep this as clauses, or if yours is not set to clause, then go ahead and set that. From here, we'll click advanced. This takes us to the manage clauses page. And so it's very easy to find your clause or to add a new clause by clicking the plus icon. From here, we're going to select the business unit. So we'll take US 1. We're going to put a number in. Let's put some number that we've got in there. We want a title for this. Let's call this insurance. Then we want a display title. So now let's call it a fidelity bond. From here, we want to choose the type of contract. All of procurement contracts are by contracts. And then we want to choose the type. Here, I know that I want a general terms type of contract. Now, here is you see us use the default section. So again, section was created in step 1. So if you haven't seen that step, go ahead and go back to Panameer.com, watch the entire course. From here, we're going to open this and we're going to look for, here it is, insurance. So we'll select insurance. Next thing I want to do is I want to type whatever my clause is. So again, what we're really doing in this grand scheme of things is we're going to set up an expert that asks a question and drives, depending on the answer, this clause onto the contract document. So what clause would I want to go there? So the supplier must carry fidelity insurance or a fidelity bond to ensure their service provider against the possible theft of cash from Scott Procurement, WSP. Now, if I wanted to add a variable, then I would select this. I would see any number of different variables here. Those could be variables in general. I could use fixed variables. I could use variables that go pull supplier fields, but you can select through here and variables if you need to add them. We're not going to add them here. Let's click cancel. We'll go to the top. We can always do a save. Well, let's do save first, and then we'll submit this clause for approval. Okay, and so now our clause has been saved. If we want to see this clause, we can come back into here and search and find the clause here. So that's how you add a clause in Oracle Cloud. If you have any questions for me directly, reach out by clicking the link below. Okay, that's it for this video. But make sure to watch the entire free course on Panameer.com. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.